going into the controller. There's a fair bit to know on the controller. It is in the manual, but I'll just demonstrate a couple of things. You can actually press the screen here. You have to enter the password. The password to change this is 159. Okay? And then you open up the gallery of the different bottom tools that you can fit to that machine. At the moment, the one I've put on here is this 95. Done. I can also change the tool. Enter password 159. Okay. So the tool there, open the different tools. They're all the different tools that were put onto this machine. This is the one we're using now. We're using 56. Done. So I've got tool 56 and I've got the die DB95 written down here. That's the die on here. Now I'm doing 2mm material, so 2mm material multiplied by 8 is 16mm V die. You can change the V die. One shows different 65, 8mm, 45mm, 4mm, 24mm, 36mm, 16mm. But you can, if you want a more radius bend, you can change that to 24. And you'll notice that the numbers will change up there for it once you transmit it. But at the moment we'll do the correct one, which is 16, and it's 16. So we can go then to another program just to show you sequencing. So you're going to have a profile of the item that you're making, and that's the sequence that it's going to do in the bending. You can then press on that one, and it'll you can reverse the bending sequence. Whichever sequence you have, returning, flipping, can all be done on the machine. So I'll just open another job. Let's take a complicated job. So this one here is it's 90-degree angles, and it's going into 50mm on the here, and all the distances are on there, and the angles. Now, if, say for instance, you have made this material out of 3mm steel, it might be 90, it would be 100%, but on aluminium, spring back factor might be different, so you'll have to put a trim on here, and it might be 2. It's only a matter of doing it, finding out what it is, but then once you've done it, it's there forever. Now I'm doing 1mm material, so it's on a 8mm V die, and that's the distance that's going down into the V. So now there's also a program in here called Quick Draw. And it's a matter of going on here, and then you can go OK. Now that's just a line I've drawn on there, but you can put your own distances in there, and you can change that degree down here to 60 degree. You can see I've changed that automatically, and the distance there, it was only rough I put on here, but I can change that to 50mm. I can change that one to 180, and I can change that to 60. So already the measurements are on there, how far it's going to go into the V die. So at the moment we'll just try that one. So I'll transmit it. You have to transmit when you've changed the job. You have to have transmit on here, and it's got download success. Once you've downloaded success, the beam has to be up, so you make sure that the beam is up all the way, and then you press the start button. So the first thing that will change will be the x-axis. The x-axis has to travel first. You can't do the two travelling together, so the x-axis is travelling to the distance you've told it to be. That's moving in. You can see that going in. That'll change to 50mm. turn green. Then the up axis will go 101.5,